Good evening, good evening, good evening. Happy Saturday, guys. Happy Saturday. That phone here kind of blurry, but this won't overeat, so I choose to use the phone here. So, happy Saturday. Hope all is well. Hope all is well, guys. Hope all is well on your side. Hi, how are you? My camera looks so blurry, guys. Anyways, hope all is well. Hope all is well. How is your Saturday evening? Hey. Hi there, how are you? Good evening, how are you doing? Thank you so much, guys. How are you? Sorry, me start the live, but then I had to go and do something. So that's what I was doing. Yeah. So, how is your evening? Thank you for joining. Let me see who is here. Hi, CK. Thank you for joining. Yeah. Thank you for stopping in. How are you doing? Silent watchers, big up yourself. Yeah. You know. What did I do? I try to get. I was cleaning. I was cleaning. I was cleaning a bathroom. Yes. That's what I was doing. How are you guys? How are you? How is your evening so far? Hope your evening going well. Hope your evening going well. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Thank you for the like. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. One chocolate from the road. Thank you, CK. You know. Boy. Them have too much drama going on. Too much drama. Too much drama. Too much drama. Wow. How are you guys? How is everyone doing this evening? Happy Saturday. Thanks again, CK, for joining. Sorry I wasn't here. Yeah. I had to do that. So yeah. No. Seems like the flu is going around. So yeah. So it's Saturday, guys. It is now night coming down. So I don't know what it is like in other places. Yeah, once you're not in Jamaica. But I hope all is well for everyone. Yeah. I hope all is well for everyone. And guys, I posted my next comedy skit. Hopefully you guys get to watch it as well. Yes. If you haven't watched it as yet, you can go over and check it out. Yes. Yes. Thanks to all the persons who have been watching so far. Thanks a lot. Yes. I appreciate you guys so much. Yeah, so this evening I just want to chit chat and just kind of build a vibe this evening. Build a vibe. You know what I mean? Yep. Where did I go? Yes, so they have a little boop in the background, that side. So if in case it comes up loud, then I will have to mute the mic. Hopefully it doesn't come up loud. Yeah, so me have to kind of talk over so that yeah, sound yeah. Yeah, so how are you doing? Hope all is well. Anna is here this evening, so let's chit chat. Yeah, let's get into it. How was your day? How was your day? Hope everyone is doing great. Yes, and the flu is going around, guys, so wear your mask. Yeah, wear your mask and just practice. I would say maybe you have to go back to where you stand like distance from a person and talk. But them say 6 feet, 6 feet apart. That's what. Yeah, something of the sort. Yeah, so there are one. Yeah, I'm here just hoping and praying that everything will work out. Whatever we have in mind will work out for all of us as we, I'm not gonna say planned, but hopes it work out for us all. So, guys, I just want to say, I just hope whatever it is you set your mind to in this life, it works out. Yeah. And if you try something and it doesn't work out the first time for you, just tell yourself, is either you're gonna try it again or you're gonna try something else, right? Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining my live. How was your day today? The Q&A is here. Yep. So the Q&A says, oh, you're saying hello from Indonesia. Thank you so much for joining. How are you? Hope all is well. Thank you so much for joining from Indonesia. I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, the Q&A is in my face again. Guys, I'm so hilarious. I'm telling you, I am so hilarious. Okay, see, go down a bit. Alright, so the Q&A says, good morning. Oh. Oh. Good morning, which one that sets you up for a good day? Prayer. That's all me can say, prayer. We don't really do that about those things. I would say first thing I do when I wake up is pray. Talk to God and, ask God for help us that the day works out, and thanking Him for taking us through the night, yes, and things like that. So, yeah, that's what I do. That's what I do. That's what I do. Yep. So guys, you can also say, answer the Q&A, what you do during the mornings, the first thing you do during the mornings. Yeah. That sets you up for a good day. Well, that prayer is the first thing. So that's what I do, and it sets me up for a good day. Yeah, straight throughout the day until the night, and thing, and it works out. Yeah, it works out. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Good morning. It is night for us. Good night. How are you? Good night. Oh, let me see if I can find you now. I don't know. Are the same name that you're so? Just watch a little video. Um, Gorilla. Gorilla Live. Alright, let me see if this one depend there's something. Oh, depend it already. Alright, so me go just come in and then me go just go straight over. Me go just go straight over on your side. Me go come in and then me go straight over. So tap in, pick you up, and then go straight over. Alright, so I got you now. Yep, so me go watch you. Let me turn this down. So Gorilla, not to worry, I have you now. Yeah? Because I came over a few times, but me couldn't find you after that. I couldn't find you. Because me type it in, me only see some other something come up. So the link now, see me have the other phone. Turn it on a next account. So now, I'm gonna watch. Alright, so let me send a message now, let you see that I am over on your side. I'm over on your side now. Over on your side. Yeah? So I'm watching the ads, yeah? I'm watching a video. Yes. You have a voice of an angel. So, you know, I will always be watching. Yeah? Because you have a wonderful voice. Yeah. All when me not understand what you're saying. Say. Hey, all when me don't understand what you're saying, I'm telling you. The voice alone is breathtaking. Yeah. The voice is lovely. Yeah. So I will always be watching. Thank you so much, my brother, for joining my live. Yeah. I appreciate you. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody here now I watch. There is a ads going on. So after the ads finish, then I can Hi, silent watchers. How are you doing? After the ads finish, then I'll see the video. So guys, um, Gorilla Live is here. You know, silent watchers, how are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Yes, Gorilla Live. Thank you for coming over. One love, yeah. One love. I'm over on your side now. I'm on your channel. I'm watching. Yeah. So that was the only way I can go over on your side because I'm not seeing without me do it that way, I won't see the cause me type in Gorilla Live, me not see it come up. So the link now, me just take it straight from here and go over there. Yeah. Silent watchers, how are you doing? Big up yourself. Big up all the persons in the comment section as well. Hope all is well on your side, guys. Iana is here. Yeah, no love, no love, no love. Enough love. I have to use the glasses to see, cause it is blurry without the glasses. It is blurry. Guys, a little noises in the background, so I will have to mute the mic. Yeah, I want to hear a gorilla live too. I sing say. I'm gonna mute the mic a bit. I'm telling you, that song is awesome. Yeah, that song is so nice. Even though I don't understand what was said, the voice is, I don't want to say breathtaking, but the voice is like an angel. Yeah, he has the voice of an angel, guys. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for joining my live. I appreciate you all. And Gorilla Live, thank you so much for stopping in again. Yeah, I'm happy you came over because at least I get to get the link this time around, because the first times I didn't want to chance it to go over from this one, so I use a next account and go over. Yeah, I use the next account this time around. Yep. So guys, hope your evening going well. Hope your day went well, and I hope your night will also go well as well. You know, Respect, 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 respect due everything. Yeah? So, big up on yourself. Yeah. So now I will have Gorilla Live in my feed. In my feed now. Yeah, there he is. Let me even share the one that I watched just now. Because my wife can't find you back again. Because sometimes I don't know. Sometimes these things last sometime, you know. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna share it. There is a ads going on there. So I'll be watching more of the videos as well. Yeah, it's very, very interesting. You know, it is good when a person can sing like that, you know. You have talent and you can really sing. When you sing it, even though a person might don't understand the words, but it really touches you deep. Yeah, you just feel like you're in love. Yeah, that's what it does to you. It make you feel like you're in love. Yeah, for real, for real. The voice is amazing. Yep. Let me see this. There's a next one starting. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Hi. Hi again. Hi, how are you? You're good? Hope you're good. Michaela. Hi, how are you? How are you? I am good, you know. I am good. Me day here just a go and chilling at the evening here, you know. Just a go and chill. Nowadays, on a Saturday. Me see last week Saturday, I didn't do any live last week Saturday. And I didn't do any live Friday. Them time here, 6 o'clock. I didn't do any live. You know? Yeah. Sometimes you can skip a day, you know, but you're supposed to be like consistent, yeah? Going live. You know? Yeah. I go live every day. Every day. Sometimes even on a Sunday. Sometimes I skip Sunday. You know, family time. Sometimes I skip Sunday. Yeah. But I hope all is well on your side though. I hope all is well. So me there here I watch Gorilla Live. So you know, you can check out Gorilla Live as well. You can check out Gorilla Live. Okay. There is snow outside of my house. Oh my. Oh Lord. There is snow outside your house. Oh my God. So you have to stay inside. Wow. You know, God soon make the snow pass. Let me give you the blue so you can go over. You can Gorilla Live, him sing. He sings a lot of songs on his channel, and I think he sings like an angel. Yeah, he does. So probably you can as well go over and check him out as well. So let me give you the blue so you can go over on his side to see what's going on. You can go over there. Just touch on the link. Touch on the link that he put there, and then go over and check him out as well. You have snow. Well, they have to just stay inside. They say we are gonna get cold front as well. It's going to be cold here in Jamaica, really, really, really cold. So we're also looking out for that as well, because of the snow that is falling overseas. We're gonna get cold front. So sometimes in the hours of the night you really feel the temperature change, and in the early morning, sometimes during the day as well. It depends. It depends. It is rough, you know. It is rough. Just imagine persons where they're overseas and you're in the house and you can't really, you can't really go places where you don't want to go because of how the place full of snow. Yeah. Hopefully it will soon pass though. Hopefully. Something on my eye. I call on my eye. So I try to take out it. I can't take out it. So I'm looking at my eye. I don't even see what in there. I just feel it in there. Yeah. Hopefully it will soon pass. You know the snow. And you see the beautiful sunlight come out again and stuff like that. Yeah. So just keep warm. Put on your sweater and your socks. And you put on your blanket. Cover up with your blanket to stay warm. Yeah. It is rough, you know. It is very rough. We out here, we the year a worry already. we the year we already, we the year a worry about the hurricane season already. You know, everybody has said them no want no storm come and them something there. Boy, rough. It is rough. Oh. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Prayer before. Yeah, that's what I say. Prayer before coffee. Oh, coffee every morning. Oh, that's nice. I pray before, like when me sleep and me wake up, me talk to God first. That's the first thing. The talk to God first. Yeah. So that is awesome. Yeah. So are you getting snow on your side as well, or you're here in Jamaica, or you're getting snow on your side? You know, I'm watching Gorilla Live now, guys. Gorilla Live. He's an artist, yeah. He sings some awesome songs, yes, on his channel. His songs, he can really sing, you know. He has a great voice. As I would say, he has a voice of an angel. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, top. Yeah, me there here gone, you know. Thank you so much for answering the Q&A as well. Appreciate you guys joining. Of the United States. Yes, a lot of snow. Okay, yeah. So you're also getting the snow, you know. Hopefully it will hurry up and pass though. It will hurry up and pass. Hope it will hurry up and pass. You know, when you're there and you watch the video where persons post and stuff like that, you know, the amount of snow you see on the sidewalk, you can't see the sidewalk none at all. It's just pure, I would say, mountains of snow. You're seeing just mountains of snow. Just mountains of snow. That's what you're seeing. Just mountains of snow. You know, but God is still in control. And hopefully it doesn't get any worse, you know? Hopefully it doesn't get any worse. Hopefully it doesn't get any worse. They say even out here we're gonna get cold front. So if per se the snow fall, the snow is falling overseas, right? In most places. So for us here in Jamaica, yeah, they say we're gonna get cold front. So we're there again. Sometimes the cold front comes with rain. Yeah. That one they not so bad. You only hear the beat alone. I drive past, it don't sound so bad. Some of them then turn up the music loud. It would have come like a in-ear side they play, but in a them car or whatever they are driving. Yeah. But I guess it's just a part of the culture right now. The different type of genre of music that people listen to. Yeah, so they're driving and they feel to turn up their music for some reason, then they will do so. Yeah. So it's a part of the culture. Mm-hmm. My favorite. Oh, really? Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Oh, my favorite chubby YouTube area. I never seen something like this yet. My favorite chubby YouTuber. Oh, thank you. Thank you for joining. How are you? Hope all is well. Older burger. Oh, hope all is well. How are you? Thank you so much for joining, guys. Remember to like the live. Remember to you can go over and watch something for ANI as well. I just post my second skit, comedy skit. So guys, go over and check it out. The first one as well. If you don't watch the first one as yet, please check out the first one as well. It's very, I would say it's nice. Persons watch and they laugh. I'm telling you. Yeah. So thank God. Yeah. Thank God. Yeah, you thank God. You're talking about the Q&A now. Yeah. So once you slept and wake up, the first thing you do is thank God. Yeah, that is true. I would do that as well. You sleep and you wake up, you say, boy, thank God me sleep and me wake up. Yeah, sometimes you just say that alone. And the next time, meanwhile you're there and I do whatever it is you're doing, you're making some tea or you're going to wash your face or whatever. You say, you just did it constantly talk to God. Yeah. Yeah. He's great to all of us, all of us. Even when some of us have our ways are set in our ways, God still loves us. God still loves us. He knows we're not perfect beings, so He still loves us and hoping that we will change. That's what it's about. Hoping that we will change. Yeah. So that is it. So guys, I still want to reach my goal, 4,000 subscribers. Yeah, so, oh gosh, may I tell you. But yeah, hopefully we'll get there soon though. Yeah, hopefully we'll get there soon. That was like a last year goal, you know. I don't pass it as yet, so still looking out, hoping that I'll pass and set a new goal and thing like that. But don't pass that one yet, so we can't set a new one. We have to just go and work with that one until we pass it. When we pass it now, we can set a new one, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for passing through. I appreciate you guys, yeah? One love from ANI. Enough respect. Enough respect, oh, enough respect. Enough respect. Gorilla Live. He's very nice. He's a nice person. He come over all the time and come go over his side about maybe about 2 times. And from that me couldn't find him again. I don't know which one of the cause sometimes persons change them picture and stuff like that. So I couldn't find him. Me not see him in the something. So I couldn't find him none at all. So now I see him. I'm telling you. So I'm on the third video for him now. Yeah, I have somebody else as well. I go watch when we finish. Yeah. That is awesome though, you know. Talent, 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 talent. It's good when you have talent. Yeah. 'Cause at least, you know, you can, once you have talent, you can use that to your advantage, if you know what I mean. Skills, you have talent. That's great. You know, you just use whatever skills you have. Yeah. So I soon come out for the live now, you know. It's a Saturday night, so you know, I gotta chill with the family on a weekend, yeah. So, you know, I'll still go live, but, you know, you have to know when to take a break and just sit back and, you know, chat and laugh with your family and sit with that things are good on your side, yeah, yeah. So that's also a thing that we have to focus on and do as well. Sometimes things get so busy where you have like one whole heap of something to do at once, you know. But you have to just know how to multitask and still not feel stressed out and still have everything up and running. Yeah. So eventually, guys, you know. So thanks to all the persons who joined my live tonight, you know. Enough love and respect. Probably later on for the late night, I probably put up something, you know. Persons can also come in the chat and just sometime I put up like a quiz have to do with the culture of Jamaica and stuff like that. Persons normally support. So thanks to all the persons who normally comes in the comment section and support as well. One love from A&I. So probably tonight as well I might do that. So whenever I can come out to do the late night, like sit up like what I'm doing now and chit chat with you guys, I will also do so, you know. Sometime in the late night, I want to sleep. So tell me, I say, no, say, this not going to work out. Because what? Me no want nobody see me and sleep on the life. I go so, you know. So, me say one night me did it, and me a scroll a go on, you know. When me did it and I scroll a go on, me stop on one lady. The lady sit down right to one wall, you know. She sit down, like she put on her phone somewhere in front of her. And she was like sitting down on the ground, lean up against the wall. And the lady depend, she asleep, you know, poor thing, you know. Poor thing, me say watch her. And me don't know, because for some reason me couldn't pass. Me have to stay and watch. For some reason me couldn't pass. Me have to stay and watch. Me I tell you the truth. Yeah, me have to stay and watch. Thank you for the like. I have to stay and watch. Because me I say, wow. Me say that lady is supposed to work and watch hours, you know. Me say that lady I work and watch hours. Oh gosh, man. Sleep a bite lady, you know, lady sit down up. And I go so. And you can't see say she asleep, you know. You can't see say she asleep because all the go she a go so. She no feel it. She sit down there and I read I go so. And she just stay there sit down see how you know. She no get up or wake up. It's like she a fall in a deep sleep. Just sit down, lean up against the wall. Yeah? So, I tell you these things. I tell you. Forget watch hours is normal. Because sometimes when you did it, and you say, boy, you watch hours. You see your watch hours are go down. You have to try if you see how best you can bring it up and thing. You know? So, you have to work hard on it, me I tell you. You have to work hard on it to stay up. And the thing about it, if per se you're not posting any videos, you're not doing any shorts, you're not doing any live stream, you're not doing nothing at all, you know, you just leave it like that and not doing anything. Your watch hours run, it'll go right down because you're not doing anything. You understand me? So that's why they always say you can take a break. But you see that day when you take a break, if per se you don't go live, or if per se you do one good live in the morning, do one good live in the morning, then you take the rest of the day off. And you post a video and you post a short, that will help 100%. Yeah? That will help 100%. But if per se you don't do nothing at all, you're not gonna have nothing to show for that day. Nothing you're not going to have to show for that day. So, yeah. So you have to just put in what you can put in, you know? And they say post on your community, post and thing. Everything add up, every little thing counts, you know? Every little thing counts. Every little thing counts. Yep. Every little thing counts. So guys, one love, one heart to you all. Let me see how long is this one. This time around, I like how this one do. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, is that 10 minutes? 10 minutes and something video. Okay. Okay, you. So after this now, when I'm finished, I am gonna watch an African movie. Yesterday I saw some African movie and I said, I go watch one of them, you know. I never get to watch it last night. So I'm gonna watch it tonight. until I'm ready to start the next live. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it tonight. I'm gonna just relax and go and watch a movie until I'm ready. I wanted to do 2 shorts as well. I'm gonna test out 2 shorts first. Yeah. Yep. So one love, guys. Enough love from A and I. Enough respect. Big up yourself. Thank you for joining. And continue to strive for excellence. Continue to be great. And always remember, as the Q&A say, don't forget God. Always have God in the midst of things. And thanks to all the persons who joined my live this evening. Thank you guys for the 7 likes. One love. Big up yourself. Enough respect. 12 midnight later on, I'll be doing a next live, but probably I just put up a quiz sheet, and persons can still come in. I will see you guys because I will be watching as well, so I can still unmute the mic and say something, but in the background the quiz sheet will be up. It's the weekend and I know everybody is enjoying themselves, and it's family time. It's the weekend. You're not at work and all these things now, so on the weekend is for families, family time. So guys, catch you later on. One love, and thanks to the person who has joined just now. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, so one love and enough respect from A and I. Yeah, so I'm still watching Gorilla Live. Still watching Gorilla Live. There's a ads going on. There is a ads going on. Yep. Okay. Yes, guys. I'll see you later on. One love. Have a great night. Enjoy your weekend. And see you